Here's the question. Is it stress relief or is it a toy? Well, these squishy balls are kind of both. Products like this could be under the tree or in stockings this year, and you need to know how to handle them.
These gel toys can be a lot of fun, but it's important for kids to use them safely. Never microwave or freeze them.
Yes, TikTok trends have been encouraging people to microwave those squishy toys to make them softer. No one should be doing this. Consumer Reports found some toys exploded after 15 seconds, reaching temperatures above 200 degrees. At that temperature, experts warn instant burns are likely.
Don't leave them in the car. Don't give gel filled toys to babies or toddlers.
Hundreds of one-star reviews on Amazon report the toys popped within an hour or broke within 2 hours of playing with it. Parents have reported that the sticky gel from some of the toys left their kids with red, irritated, or even peeling skin. Reports filed with the federal saferproducts.gov site claim that children suffered severe skin irritation after their squishy toys burst open.
Breakage alone is a concern, but when we saw reports of kids with red or peeling skin and even chemical burn like injuries, that really raised serious questions and it made us want to take a look at what's inside of these.
Companies don't have to list the ingredients of what's inside the squishy toys. Some do, some don't. That's why Consumer Reports scientists decided to test some of the most popular squishy toys to learn what's inside them.
Scientists bought 8 squishy gel toys, broke them open, and tested the pH of the gel inside. 7 had a neutral pH. One of them, the Nido Groovy Glob, had a pH level of 2, which is as acidic as lemon juice or vinegar.
Consumer Reports safety experts say the level of acidity could pose a risk of chemical burns, especially on children's delicate skin. Schilling, the maker of Nido, challenged Consumer Reports pH test results and says that their inner gel is made of a certain kind of alcohol which is safe for skin contact. The company added that they've been in contact with the CPSC and that after the sale of 100 million Nido toys, there have only been 4 reports of incidents to the CPSC.
Parents need to know that if these toys break open, it won't be just a sticky mess. In some cases, it can be a real safety risk.
So with that said, if the squishy ball breaks or leaks and it gets on your skin, you just need to wash it off immediately.